Hey guys, this is Mrs. Schramm. Sorry I can't be there today. My kiddo is sick, so I am home with him. Um, Please let me know though. Email me if there are any questions or concerns today. If a link won't work or you can't get something to open, please email me. Even though I'm at home, I can still check my email and try to fix those things on Canvas for you guys. So please just let me know. So I'm going to click on today, 9/28 for the announcement. I'll link this video right here. I still would like you guys to do 20 minutes of Lexia. My in-person people, that will be until about 8 o'clock, and then for 5th hour, 9:30 for 6th hour. You guys do have advisory today, so this hour is a little bit short because of that schedule. And then what I'm going to have you do for classwork today is this Nearpod. If I click the link, it's going to say welcome. You're going to put in your name and hit join lesson. Then, this is kind of a little preview about the story we're going to start reading, Cask of Amontillado. You can just click through. So you can kind of click through. It's very independent. Do it at your own pace. You do not have to do this as a class all together at the same time. Each person can pull it up on their own computer and go through. So when I go forward, this kind of explains, like we talked about last time, the story. And then there's some videos. I'm not going to watch that right now. Dramatic irony, we took notes on all of these last time. You're just going to do some matching. Feel free to pull up the PowerPoint or get your notes from the basket if you need that. Okay, and then practice. This is really cool. It's like a virtual reality field trip that shows you what the catacombs in France look like, which is where our story takes place. So that's kind of fun to go through. It'll pull up like that. Setting and mood. You do need to answer these questions because I can hop on and see that you've done it. And then some independent practice. Reading through this passage. Highlight in yellow any irony. So that can be any of those types we talked about last time. And there's a short 4-question quiz. So please make sure, try your best. Go back to those notes if you need the notes. And that is good. That should take you most of the class today. And then hopefully on Wednesday, we'll be able to start reading. Again, we have advisory, so this hour will be shorter. During advisory, if you're one of my students, I will still try to hop on Zoom and join you from home. Have a good day.